Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. Today we're finding the surface area of a sphere, of a baseball. It looks like this, or any sort of ball, like a soccer ball, or a softball, or a basketball. In this case, we're going to look at a baseball. So, how much covering do you have to, so this is made out of leather, so how much leather do you need in order to cover an entire baseball? So, if you take it actually out, you take all these laces out and lay it flat, you get these two shapes. But I don't know the area of these two shapes. That's not a rectangle, that's not a circle, that's not a triangle. How are we going to find the surface area if we don't really know what it is? Well, let's look at this picture down here. Okay, so if you take those two pieces and you make a cross out of them like this and like this, you see you have like an approximate of 4 circles. You get a circle here, circle here, circle here, and circle on the bottom. And so the area of the covering can be approximately like 4 pi r squares, or 4 circles. This is the formula for surface area of a sphere. So, surface area of a sphere. So you take the baseball covering off, it kind of looks like this. And like this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 circles approximately, right? So the surface area is 4 pi r squared, so just 4 circles like that. So whenever I think of surface area of a sphere, I think about the baseball covering coming off, putting it in a cross like that. The picture's not very good, but this picture's better, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Okay. So let's practice this. So you get your calculator out. Find the surface area of this sphere. So just draw a circle like this, and then draw a oval, half of an oval, in the back half, do it like a dotted, dotted, and 8 inches, that's how you draw it. So the surface area is 4 circles approximately, 4 pi r squared. So that's going to be 4 pi, and the radius is 8 squared. Cool. All right. Calculator it up. 4 times pi times 64, which is 8 squared. 4 times pi times 64, which is approximately 804.2 inches squared. Area is always squared. Volume is cubed. So on the outside of the shape, it's 804.2 inches squared of material to cover the entire sphere. Let's try another one. Here we go. Example 2. Example 2. Okay. So here we go. We have a diameter this time. And we need to write the equation down, right? Surface area is 4 circles. Because I'm picturing those two pieces of the baseball leather. So we got 4 pi r squared. So it's 4 times pi times, what's the radius? Oh yeah, it's 20 times 20 squared. Cool. All right, let's see what we got. 4 pi times 20 squared is 5,026.5. There we go. Units, centimeters squared. There we go. Approximately, because I estimated, didn't have the full decimal there. All right, now you try one. Ooh. What is the surface area of this sphere? Ready, set, go. Ooh. All right, let's see. So, 18.3 is the diameter. So I need to cut that in half. So I'm going to divide by 2. And I got 9.15. There we go. So 9.15, 9.15. So it's 4 times pi times 9.15 squared. 4 circles, pi r squared. So, calculator it up. 4 pi times 9.15 squared. 1,052 point, oh, see that 8? That brings the 0 to a 1. There we go, meters squared. There we go. Nice job. Good on to the practice. Good work, everybody.